Nearly 2 months after industrial estates in Tamil Nadu shut operations following the lockdown, 17 big industrial units in the state's capital, Chennai, have been granted permission to resume operations. The industrial estates situated in non-containment zones, including the Ambattur and the Guindy clusters, can resume work from May 25th, adding, however, employees residing in containment zones would not be allowed to report to work. The Gujarat High Court lashed out at the state government, saying conditions at the civil hospital in Oneindia is pathetic and it is as good as a dungeon, maybe even worse. The court had taken suo motu cognizance of a public interest litigation on Covid-19 pandemic. Ahmedabad Civil Hospital recorded 377 Covid-19 deaths till Friday. The Dean of the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Medical Sciences at the Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital has tested positive for coronavirus. Dr. Rajiv Sood, who is looking after the management of Covid-19 manpower at the hospital, tested positive for the infection on Saturday. He is now under home isolation and contact tracing has been initiated by the hospital authorities. India registered the biggest single-day jump in the number of coronavirus cases as 6,767 new patients were reported in the last 24 hours. This is the third consecutive day that India has reported more than 6,000 Covid-19 cases with a record number of new patients each day. The country has officially logged more than 1,21,000 cases and 3,867 deaths linked to the early infectious coronavirus disease. Two policemen seen raining blows on a man apparently intoxicated with their batons in a video has been widely shared on the social media, triggering huge criticism. The video from Madhya Pradesh's Chhindwara, about 300 kilometers from the state capital Bhopal, has now prompted a probe by the city police. The clip, apparently shot on a mobile phone, shows one of the two cops beating the man till he falls on the ground. As US battles coronavirus pandemic with more than 16 lakh people infected and the death toll nearing 1 lakh, President Donald Trump has drawn flag as on Saturday he went on his first golf outing since the White House declared a national emergency over the coronavirus in March, visiting his club in the Washington suburbs in a purposeful display of normalcy.